Friends, from today we will discuss the long answer questions of your first chapter from the Beehive book, the fun they had. Students, in long answer questions, first I will tell you how you should write the long answer questions. For writing the long answer questions, you must have to have a full comprehension of the story. You must understood the story 100% properly, and everything that has been mentioned in the story you must know everything, and you also know the words, some specific words that have been used in the story, which would help you in writing long answer question. In writing long answer question, you always have to write everything in detail. So let's see some examples. Let's see some sample answer how you should write the long answer questions. The first question of from this story in long answer is actually, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story. In the story you saw that Margie and Tommy, the students like Margie and Tommy, the future students will be taught by mechanical teachers. So the question is asking you that, what are the main features of a mechanical teacher. So student, in simple words, if you want to put in short, that the main features would be of a mechanical teacher, that they would never forget anything, they would not make mistake while teaching, and they will teach everything in a proper, the way they have been programmed to teach. So but here, in writing the long answer, you will have to write everything in detail, and especially you have to mention the things that has been mentioned in the story. You cannot put down something from your own mind that has not been mentioned in the story. So now let's read the sample answer that I have written for all of you. First, here Maggie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They had large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. In the short answer question also, you write all those things in one question. So long answer questions are sometimes contain the answers of short answer questions or MCQ questions. They had a slot in which a student had to put their homework and test paper. So everything that has been mentioned in this story, you all are saying that they had to write their answers in punch code. Yesterday I made you understand what is punch code. Punch code is the computing language that Maggie learned when she was 6 years old. So this was also mentioned in the story. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks immediately, and you all know that the robot doesn't take time, or computer doesn't take time to solve a sum. Even moving in chess, they do not waste any time, so they are very fast. Actually, they machines, the robots, the computers, they are super fast. Their schools were in their home itself, and you saw in the story that their school is actually not the school that we know today. Those would be the different kind of a school according to Isaac Asimov. They did not have any classmates because their school is in their house, and it is just like their study room. It was a virtual school which you can call as a study room. They learned geography, history, and arithmetic. Actually, they learned the subjects that we read today. So they would also read the same subjects according to Isaac Asimov. But I would feel, after 100 years or after 200 years, many things will change. So even what we will read, that also depends on our situation, our current situation, our present situation, in what sort of country, in what sort of state, in what sort of natural state the human beings live. Everything generally depends on that. They had regular days and hours for school. Here, student, regular days and hours for school means that on fixed time. Even in the future also, the students like Tommy and Margie, they would also read on a fixed regular time, as you all students come on a fixed time in school, or if you go to coaching centers, whatever, or if you have a fixed time of study, generally we do everything on a fixed regular time. The mechanical teacher always turned on at the same time every day except Saturdays and Sundays because her mother said that little girls learn better when they learned at regular hours. In the story you saw that you in the story you saw this thing. So actually this mechanical teacher was programmed to you can actually set it like an like a alarm like an alarm like a clock alarm on a fixed time, and it will always ring on that. So just like that, this mechanical teacher was always on a fixed time except Saturdays and Sundays. In the story you saw that. So you will write everything this down. So this is the sample answer of the question number first, the question number 1. I hope you would attempt yourself at home first. You will practice the long answer questions at home first, and then you will write your from your own mind in the examination. Student, we will discuss the second long answer question, but video is already too long, so we will discuss tomorrow.